Hi, welcome to Homeschool Planet. Setting up your free trial will take only a few minutes and will get you well on your way to the easiest planning you've ever seen. To start, the first step you need to take is to set up your school calendar. You can do this by going to Settings and then School Years. After that, select the option to add a school year. The program will give you a default of the current year that we're existing in, but you can adapt this to anything you'd like. I'm going to leave it at 2020 through 2021. After that, you'll select the reporting periods or grading periods you would like in your year. I'm going to select 2 semesters for this school year. Next, select a first day of school. If you click on the calendar, you can easily select what date your school year begins. You'll then select the end of your first semester. In this case, I'm going to end our first semester on December the 18th, and then you'll choose the end of your second semester. In this case, I'm hoping to work a schedule out so it ends on June the 4th. You'll choose which days of the week you would like to have be your normal class days. You can add classes to a specific day, but these will be the days you do the bulk of your work or have most classes. After this, you can look at the drop-down menu of several different holidays from different countries or religious groups and choose those which you would like to have pre-added to your calendar. I'm going to select holidays in the United States. After that, you'll see that there's a red X placed on any day that is considered a U.S. holiday. You can turn off specific holidays if you'd like by selecting the red radial button and it will turn it off, or you can turn it back on. After I have my main holidays in, I'm going to go in and add the vacation days our family will be using. We're going to take off the entire week of Thanksgiving after a robust start to our year. So I'll just click on each of those dates, a red X will appear, and that will mean that that day will be off. Then I'm going to travel to December, and I'm going to take off each of the days between December the 21st and January the 1st. Next, I'm going to look and see how long the gap is before the end of the year, and I'm going to put a holiday in for us from March 22nd through the 26th. After this, I'm going to look and see, and I'll notice that at this point, I have 185 school days on my school calendar. My state requires 180, so that gives me a little wiggle room to take another week off school, which I'm actually going to plan a couple random Fridays off because that just works well for my children at the end of our school year. So I'm going to select a day here, another here, and another here, and then I'm going to decide we're going to finish school a couple days early. I'm going to quickly change my date. And now, when I peruse our school calendar, I know that I'll need flexibility, but this looks really good for us. So I'm going to select Save. And just like that, I have a school calendar. And next, I'm going to start adding our family. Watch our video on adding your students to your school year for setting that up. Thanks so much again for trying Homeschool Planet.